Many Tesla Model 3 owners experience frustrating prompts to use the key card, even when their phone key is properly set up. This common issue typically stems from several underlying causes that can disrupt the vehicle's access system. The primary reasons include problems with Bluetooth connectivity, where the car fails to detect your phone's signal within the required range. Phone key recognition issues can occur when the app doesn't properly authenticate your device. User profile synchronization errors happen when your Tesla account data doesn't match between the car and the app. Software glitches can cause temporary disruptions in the key system. A weak phone battery often prevents proper Bluetooth pairing. Interference from other Bluetooth devices in the area can also trigger these prompts. Fortunately, Tesla has addressed many of these issues through over-the-air software updates. Versions like 2024.44 and later have significantly improved key system stability. Keeping both your car software and Tesla app updated is crucial for resolving these problems. The Model 3's key system relies on three main components: your phone using the Tesla app as a digital key, Bluetooth for proximity detection, and your Tesla profile for linked settings. The phone key uses the Tesla app as a digital key, communicating via NFC or Bluetooth Low Energy for authentication. Bluetooth enables proximity detection, allowing automatic locking and unlocking when your phone is within range, typically 10 to 15 meters. Your Tesla profile links account settings and customizations. Profile issues often arise from multiple accounts or outdated data, requiring resets for proper sync. A common fix for Tesla key issues is resetting your key settings. Start by navigating to the Settings menu on your car's touchscreen. This action clears all existing key pairings. Next, repair your phone by opening the Tesla app and following the pairing instructions. Finally, ensure Bluetooth is enabled on your phone and that the Tesla app has location and Bluetooth permissions granted. Bluetooth connectivity issues are a common cause of key card prompts in your Tesla Model 3. Let's walk through systematic troubleshooting steps to resolve these problems. First, try toggling Bluetooth off and on in your phone's settings. This simple action refreshes the Bluetooth connection and can clear temporary glitches that prevent your phone from communicating with the vehicle. Next, use the airplane mode reset method. Enable airplane mode on your phone, wait about 10 seconds, then disable it, and manually turn Wi-Fi and Bluetooth back on. This forces a complete reset of all wireless connections, which can resolve persistent pairing issues. Third, check for device interference. Make sure no other Bluetooth devices are nearby or actively connected to your phone. Move away from Wi-Fi routers or other electronics that might interfere with the Bluetooth signal between your phone and the Tesla. Fourth, verify that the Tesla app recognizes your phone as a key. Open the app and check the key settings. Then go to your vehicle's touchscreen under Settings, Locks to confirm the pairing is active and working properly. Fifth, restart your phone completely. Power it off, wait 30 seconds, then turn it back on. This clears any temporary software issues that might be affecting Bluetooth functionality. Finally, ensure your phone's operating system and the Tesla app are fully up to date. Software updates often include important Bluetooth stability improvements and bug fixes that can prevent these connectivity issues. If these steps don't resolve the Bluetooth issues, consider performing a complete key reset through your Tesla's touchscreen menu under Settings, Locks, Reset All Keys, then repair your devices. User profile sync issues commonly occur due to account mismatches or outdated app data. The first step is to verify you're logged into the correct Tesla account in the mobile app. On Android devices, clearing the app's cache and data can resolve these sync problems. This refreshes the app's stored information. For iOS users, reinstalling the Tesla app often fixes profile sync issues by ensuring a clean installation. Lastly, confirm that your car's software is properly linked to your Tesla account. Check for available software updates that may include fixes for sync issues. Keep your Tesla's software updated. Tesla frequently releases over-the-air updates that address key system bugs, particularly in versions like 2024.44 and later. These updates improve phone-based access, Bluetooth connectivity, and user profile synchronization. If the issue persists after updates, contact Tesla service. Their technicians can diagnose more complex problems like hardware failures or deeper software conflicts, which are less common but possible. Visit a Tesla service center for professional assistance. Online Tesla communities often share helpful tips for resolving key card issues. One common suggestion is the phone proximity reset, where you toggle airplane mode on your phone to force repairing. This can resolve Bluetooth connectivity problems. Remember to keep your Tesla app updated and ensure your phone's operating system is current for optimal performance.